Today I want to do a brown and a smoky brown and blue eye to match my blue chambray top. So why don't we just get started with it, start working on the eyes. So I'm just gonna use one, oh, nothing's broken. I'm just gonna use one palette today, and of course it's gonna be the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone, and I am just gonna work my way through these brown colors on the crease, and then I'm really inspired by this blue iridescent color. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna work my way into the light brown transition color. And then I'm gonna work this mauve color into this part, the end part of my eye. And what I'm trying to do is just darken up that corner. That looks good. And then what I'm gonna do is take this blue color over here and just take it with my ring finger, slap some on, and just apply it to the center and going into the inner eye. And then with a clean-ish detailed brush, I'm going to go into that champagne color, we're gonna go into that champagne color that is covered in brown shadow, and just go into the inner corners and just brighten up the eye a little. Using that same brush, I'm going to just take that mauve transition color that we used on the corner of our eye and just line the bottom of my eyelash. And then what I'm gonna do is, it looks a little messy on the sides here, I know, so I'm gonna take my L'Oreal concealer, take a flat detailed brush, and what I like to do, instead of going into the doe foot applicator, there's always product right on the, the end cap for some reason, so I'll just lastly, of course, I'm going to use my trusty old mascara, the NARS Climax, and just curl my eyelashes. And there you go. That is a pretty blue and brown look. And it only really just took me like 14 minutes. Probably faster if I didn't have to talk about it. But that's the look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And comment down below what your favorite blue eyeshadow is. What's your favorite color that you love when you see on Instagram but you yourself would never wear, or it's very hard to wear in your opinion? Let me know. I always think pink is a bit hard because it makes you look like you have a pink eye, and it's it's all a situation, but I always love a good blue or green eye. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!